The following contest is an Extreme Rules match and is for the Undisputed WWE Universal Championship. Introducing the challenger from Ayr, Scotland, weighing in at 254 pounds, the Scottish Warrior, DrewMcIntyre. And his opponent from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 220 pounds, the undisputed WWE Universal Champion, the American Nightmare, Cody Rhodes.
That's what it's all about, the undisputed WWE Universal Championship.
The WWE Universe knows all about the history, the lineage, everything that goes into the importance of this match.
Ladies and gentlemen, this...
Oh, new champ!
The cover! Whoa! You gotta be kidding me. Everyone here is in shock.
And now McIntyre's at a loss as...
Kimura, the Kimura!
Kimura lock, submission move. Good luck getting out of this. I guess that's one way to do it.
Big forearm.
Oh, what a clubbing blow.
Big elbow. Back and forth we go.
Nothing pretty here, just good old-fashioned fisticuffs. Boom.
The fight is on, and it's furious.
You never see that coming.
A big forearm connects. Cody Rhodes has him set up.
And this could do it. Crossroads.
The champ will stay champ.
Kick out, still has hope.
And look at the disbelief on the face of the champion. They both know what's at stake. Neither competitor...
Way too... Diving moonsault! The challenger eating up some damage. Cody Rhodes gonna fly.
Cody cutter. And that shows how Cody has really grown from his early years.
Rhodes showing he's one of the smartest wrestlers in the game.
Gotta find a way to get out of this. Oh my God, right over the top and hit hard. Attacks from the arsenal of Cody Rhodes.
There's incredible impact with every maneuver Cody delivers.
Clearing off the announce table.
This is about to go from bad to worse.
This is not gonna be pretty.
I don't want to see this happen.
Well scattered reversal there.
Drew showing how much punishment he can withstand before paying it back himself.
If he was looking for an opportunity to pull a 180, that could be it.
Flying forearm.
Underhook applied.
Side effect.
Look at this, just unloading.
Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off. The challenger is not in a great place.
Yeah, the physical price of the Extreme Rules stipulation is really starting to show now. And it must be garbage day because out comes the can. He's got a table. We know where this is going, gentlemen.
Out of the ring, what's his plan here? Lands the trash can.
That'll leave a mark.
Everyone get out of the way. These two are abandoning all restraints.
They look in his eyes. This isn't going to be good. He's got nasty plans in mind.
No. This is too far.
And there was some force on that move.
The announce table was just absolutely decimated. That's how much this match means to them. Nothing and no one is safe.
Whip back into the ring.
He'll take things into the ring.
The champ taking their share of hits now.
Yeah, Drew looks pretty confident with his attack there.
McIntyre gets met with a response. Clothesline in the corner. Senton.
Bam! Here comes a trash can for you.
Lands the trash can.
That'll leave a mark.
Flying possum! Whoa! Flying possum! Champ with a immediate kick out there.
How did he do? Oh my God! This is what he feeds off of. Moments like this big match feel.
The challenger's hopes are slipping away.
I don't want to say he's done, but I can hear the fat lady warming up.
He's doing some dangerous redecorating.
I think the table really ties it all together.
He takes control. Oh no, are they setting the table on fire?
This is too damn far.
Fires back with a crucial elbow. McIntyre turns things around.
Oh, disabling the leg with that.
Flat out power into the scoop slam. Counters that.
Cody through the table. Somebody get a fire extinguisher, a bucket of water, anything.
No, I think it's a little too late for that, Saxton. We just saw a human being become a fire blanket.
Heads out and he has all the time he wants.
Oh, great. Now for something painful and tall.
Taking it outside the ring now.
Heading back to the ring.
Drew flexing his muscle as he attempts to rally the troops.
Clearing the table.
They're going to take it to the next level.
What is this superstar thinking?
They're thinking about the end, finishing this thing off by any means necessary.
Belly to belly. The champ not looking great right now.
Drew making clear he came for a fight, and he's not satisfied yet.
Oh, elbow right to the breadbasket for their trouble.
Oh, what a clothesline. And he has to start protecting himself from attacks to that area.
Using the ropes.
Diamond-plated steel coming at you.
Not the position you want to be in right now.
Targeting the throat there.
He's taking this to the...
I did not see that coming.
Targeting the arm to great effect.
Oh, he had the wherewithal to counter McIntyre. And he slides him back to the mat.
The ladder is up.
Cody's cut open, but I think he's in his element, guys.
Outside the ring now, he has no need to rush. He climbs into the ring.
He's just taunting his victim now.
Shifts it back onto him.
Whoa, not quite yet.
Everyone is on their feet in this building.
Absolutely showing the respect for all the exertion these athletes are putting each other through.
Cody Rhodes hooks him up.
Crossroads. The champ has this one in hand now. He's setting it up right where he wants it.
Taking this outside.
This could be good. Rhodes looking to end this.
For the crossroads.
I think the champ's got it.
And back in the ring we go.
He's heading for higher ground.
Beginning that all-important clock. Oh, no! Putting your body on the line.
Showing absolutely no apprehension to putting one's body on the line.
Future shock DDT!
Future shock. Good night.
The title's in jeopardy here.
I think the paradigm has shifted.
How the hell do you kick out of that? I have no words. Not even a 2 count?
McIntyre won't lose focus, though. He's got to remain as sharp as he was a few moments ago. And a direct assault has Cody breathing heavy in the late going.
The Scottish Warrior, as ferocious as he is resilient, it'll take a big effort to put him down.
And an impactful display of offense we just witnessed there.
McIntyre there once again proving just what it means to be the Scottish Warrior.
Not even close to backing down at this point.
I don't like the look in his eye here, folks.
Uh-oh. Way too... Diving moonsault!
Oh, perfect kick.
Caught square by the haymaker.
Counter from Rhodes. Caught with a lariat. This place is going insane.
The ground beneath my feet is shaking.
Uh-oh. Cross body.
Whoa! Throwing all caution to the wind and leaping to the outside.
And as a couple of Hall of Famers once said, it's time to get the tables. The American Nightmare looking to put his opponent on Dream Street, Crossroads.
Thrown back in under the ropes. What a move! Had that well scouted.
And McIntyre puts a quick stop to the momentum that was mounting against him.
Yeah, he's getting some newly determined focus.
Now a pin for the championship. No, stops the count at 2.
What a match. McIntyre is looking to the crowd for some support.
He gets back into the ring.
Okay, he is not going to let him make a muck.
Cody looking for the win.
Crossroads. Looks like the champ is going to retain.
2. Oh, kicks out, kicks out.
Just barely able to kick out. I thought the champ had it in the bag. This is how much the championship means. You can see the sweat drip out of the challengers every pore.
You gotta wonder what more Cody has to do to put him away here.
McIntyre is wearing a crimson mask.
Right into a big boot.
Oh, the table's being set on fire.
Oh, I can't watch this. I can't watch this at all.
Clothesline. McIntyre is getting dismantled.
Rarely do we see Drew get disassembled like this.
Rhodes has his opponent.
Nails the crossroads.
Can it be? Will the reign continue? Oh, man.
Guys, I can't think of a worse place for him to be right now.
Your opponent seated on the top rope. And they're about to join them. This is a scary situation. Look at the strength. Look at the power. Stalling. Oh, fall down.
All the momentum is swung. Cover by the champ.
And another day to Cody Rhodes' reign.